is insane. The house we're staying at is incredible, and I'm here actually on a work trip. It's an analyst associate vacation we do each year. Last year we were in Park City, Utah skiing. This year we're in Puerto Vallarta, and I could not be happier. It's insane how beautiful it is out here, and the weather is fantastic. So anyway, I'm just walking to meet up with everyone at the beach club. Some people stayed back and worked, and some people left to go to the beach, and I got caught in between, so I'm gonna go meet up with everyone. But it's perfect because it gave me a chance to start the vlog, say hello, and probably won't have a whole lot of footage from this trip just because it is a work trip, but I did want to at least have a little intro so all the montages that I'm planning to get have some sort of context. So welcome to Puerto Vallarta, and now it's time for a house tour. Quick room tour since it's relatively clean. We have the master bedroom. This is the bed. You come in from here, and there is a sitting area, and then the bed. And then they have a gorgeous view out here. And those doors definitely open, but we haven't been able to figure out how. Back in here, we've got a big old TV. But in here is the bathroom. Turn up the exposure. How stunning is this? I love the woodwork and all of the tile. We've got a walk-in closet, which is a little bit messy because we are messy, but tons of space. They literally, the first day, like lined up all of our purses and shoes. Like, it was so nice, so nice. Back in here, double sinks. That's my side. The toilet is its own room, and look at what they do with the little toilet paper. They make flowers out of it, the extra one. It's so cute. In here is the shower. Sorry, we have bathing suits hanging up, but beautiful stained glass window, two double heads, tile floor, and then a little like bench, and look, they stacked up our razors and everything. And then there's this really beautiful mirror over here. Hello. And I love how open it all is. You can see that there's obviously a separate room for the closet, but it's all open, and there's a separate room for the bathroom, but the top is open, so it's a very open feel. And then there's this incredible bathtub. You guys, can you hear the waves? It's so pretty. Beautiful bathtub. It turns out when you turn it on, it comes out of this guy's mouth and sprays everywhere. So not a very functional bathtub, but beautiful. And that is our little room. Not so little, kind of a suite, but we are loving it here. And the ceiling, that's the other thing. Oh my God, the ceiling. Gorgeous, this room. on day number 2 and we are gonna go zip lining today.
I've got a smile. So we're going.
This is for the babies who can't drive their ATVs.
Okay, so it's a loop. Yay. Oh, I didn't know that.
So that's the bridge we haven't gone across, right? The other one was a lot shorter. Ziplining and ATVing with Canopy Tours. It was insane, so much fun. If you're here, I highly recommend them. They were amazing. Some of us were not great at ATVing, so we got to a certain point where like the road got pretty sketchy and was not like a large road. And so they just asked, you know, like, are you comfortable? Do you want to drive? And several of us said no. Myself included, and so they went and got an off-road vehicle. So it was super fun. He took us on like a private tour. He took us to the top of a mountain. Danny was the one who gave us the private tour. I'm gonna have a blog post about this and I'll list like all the names of the people who worked with us because they were fantastic. And like kudos to them for making us feel so comfortable. But it was so much fun. Zip lining was amazing. I didn't have any footage of that, but I did go upside down for one of them. Basically, you go with one of the instructors and you wrap your legs around their waist and you're facing each other, and then at a certain point they tell you can tip back, and you tip fully back. So I was fully upside down, and then he lifted my legs by the ankles and like lifted me up like this. So I was like completely inverted, upside down, flying across this gorge. It was insane, so much fun. Now we're back at the casa, and I'm going to get a massage. So one of the activities that was available here was a massage, so a bunch of us are getting massages. Massage time. Guys, I just got done with my massage, and I think I peaked today. Like, I think this is maybe the best day of my life. We got adventure, it was really fun. We came back, I got a massage, it felt amazing, and now, look at this view. Unreal. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning. Listen to the waves. They're so loud from our room. We can hear them at night. I just got done taking some video and some photo, and I'm just headed back into our room. And I'm gonna get ready, and one of my friends and I are gonna go and explore the area around here for like 20 minutes, take some more photos. And then we're gonna go on a boat tour today, and we're gonna go snorkeling and swimming. And I feel like I film every vlog clip in this bathroom, but like I said, I'm on a work trip, so I'm trying to keep this on the DL, but really excited for the boat tour later today. I think it's gonna be so much fun. tacos right here. Not the place earlier, right here. These waves, it's our last morning here. My voice is like gone. My throat has been hurting the last couple days. I think it's from when we went ATVing. It was just like a lot of dust, but got the husky voice today. So anyway, it is like 8:15, maybe 8:30, and it's our last day here, and I thought that I would take advantage of our cute little private lounge area up here. This is my view. I've showed it to you a bunch of times, but I just can't stop. So, woke up, gotta pack soon, but I wanted to give you the lowdown on last night because we had such a fun night, and I'm gonna do a whole blog post on it, but I feel like we've had such a fun trip here, but a lot of it has been relatively touristy and focused on this house, which is fantastic, but when I travel, I really like to go and visit places that are more authentic to the local culture, and last night a group of I think it was 9 of us, went downtown. We got street tacos, we got street churros, we ended up going out to a beach bar, really fun music. We sat on the beach, we drank margaritas, and then we went to this salsa bar, and that was fantastic. That may have been the highlight of my trip. We had so much fun. They had a live band, really just fun atmosphere. We were all sort of salsa dancing. I've salsa danced before, but we were all just kind of, doing our own thing. And then a couple times, Mexican guys would come up and ask us to dance, and that was really fun because obviously they know what they're doing, and you can just follow their lead. Unless you're me and you can't follow the lead. But no, it was so much fun. So blog post, gonna be on my blog. I'll have it linked below when it's up. But such a fun experience, and that was, it was great. So I know I inserted some clips, but I wanted to give a little voiceover because that was so much fun. And I think when you're traveling, it's good to have at least kind of one day where you get in the culture so you feel like you didn't just live on the periphery. So then we just came back, got in the hot tub, hung out, and then went to bed. And today our bus picks us up at noon, so the trip is coming to an end, but it's been so much fun, and I hope you've enjoyed me trying to make this into a little vlog, even though I can't show the people that I'm with. Hopefully you can still get a taste of what we did, and yeah, I'm just gonna edit some photos sitting out here, and then it'll be time to pack up and head out. All right guys, we're all packed up. We're about to go grab tacos on the way out of town, use some street meat, hope for the best, and head out. One last look at our room. This is an excessive amount of water bottles. We killed the planet this trip, but bye room. Bye room. And one last look at the view. Bye view. Cannot believe we got to stay here. This is amazing. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you next time. Bye.